Understanding the Wheelchair Marathon, a journey of strength and determination. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an inspiring and powerful topic, the Wheelchair Marathon. This isn't just a race. It's a testament to human resilience, strength, and the spirit of competition. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in different kinds of sports, this video is for you. We'll explore what a wheelchair marathon is, its significance, and the incredible athletes who participate in it. So, let's get started on this journey of understanding and inspiration. A wheelchair marathon is a long-distance race covering 42.195 kilometers, 26.2 miles, specifically designed for athletes who use wheelchairs. Unlike traditional marathons for runners, wheelchair marathons require participants to use hand cycles or racing wheelchairs. These specialized devices are engineered for speed and efficiency, allowing athletes to navigate the course with their arms. The event showcases not only physical endurance but also technological innovation in sports equipment. The history of the wheelchair marathon is a story of evolution and recognition. Starting from small, local races, wheelchair marathoning has grown to become a prominent feature in major international marathons, such as the Boston, London, and New York City marathons. This evolution reflects a growing acknowledgement of the athleticism and competitive spirit of wheelchair athletes, as well as a broader movement towards inclusivity in sports. Wheelchair marathon athletes come from diverse backgrounds, each with their own unique stories of determination, struggle, and triumph. Many have overcome significant challenges and adversity to compete at the highest levels. Their stories are not just about sports. They're about human potential and the power of the human spirit to overcome obstacles. Through interviews and profiles, we can learn about what drives these incredible individuals to pursue excellence in the face of difficulty. The wheelchair marathon has a profound impact on society, challenging perceptions about disability and demonstrating the universality of athletic excellence. It promotes a message of inclusion, showing that sports are for everyone, regardless of physical ability. The visibility of these events helps to break down barriers, fostering a more inclusive environment for athletes and spectators alike. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the wheelchair marathon and the remarkable athletes who participate in it. It's more than just a race. It's a celebration of human resilience, technological innovation, and the inclusive spirit of sports. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. We look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing your limits. Goodbye, and take care.